To make restoration truly effective, inclusive, and sustainable, experts worldwide have agreed on 10 guiding principles developed under the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, a global movement declared by the United Nations from 2021 to 2030. These principles offer a shared foundation for planning and evaluating restoration efforts everywhere. They emphasize equity, knowledge sharing, long-term impact, and alignment with global goals like the SDGs. One principle also reminds us that restoration is not just one act, it's a continuum of efforts across different landscapes and scales. Explore each principle and think about how they could guide restoration efforts in your region.